Yo, what up, guys? Yeah, just waiting on Mark to show up here. A little people join here. I do like this 1 minute OB that we just got right here, but it was kind of one of those things you kind of had to get in already because we just hit 50%. So uh, do we did leave a lot of equal highs up here, so we'll see. What are you guys thinking now? I think we could be bullish here, at least for some kind of like 50% retracement of some sort, maybe here on the 5 at even. But not fully convinced we're full bullish here yet. We just hit 50%. Bang into this 1 minute OB here. Uh, oh, there's a bunch of. I didn't even look at chat after we left this today, so I just went and focused on my accounts. So,
Yo,
what up, Mark?
I'm late. Just my
What
dog went. I'm not calling him, so
Hey,
to go
that's me. That's me every
chase him
day.
in the yard.
Yep.
Wow, there's a lot of this is like crazy. I actually souped this low,
Did you?
believe it or not. Well, yeah,
Yeah.
it was basically exactly 2.5 standard deviations of the Asian range based on that
Mhm.
alone. I souped it
Yeah. I
just with the
Yep. That was Wizard's short target. He just covered it at at 270. He was short from
yeah. Plus we
314
have
this morning.
SMT.
Yeah.
Oh no, I think it's gonna take a lot of this LRLR out.
Yeah, I think so too. Yep.
I think it still might come down and run a soup on some of these lows because the volume imbalance is below.
Mhm.
There's the FVG below. It hasn't really got into the order block yet, but it may not.
Yep. It may not. Yeah.
Um,
No.
But that was this morning. That was some of the tough, very tough trading,
Yep.
like really tough trading. I don't know if you guys all found it that way.
Yeah. No, it's very tough. Yeah. I'm still fighting my Apex PAs, but just MNQs, just trying to get them up to a good profit for the day. But yeah.
Yeah, I had to like battle to get mine there. But anyway, I think we might have an interesting afternoon. So we're looking.
It could.
130 would be nice if we just went up, took a high, and then continued going
That's
down.
that's what I was literally just gonna say. It could be our little manipulation swing up and then lower perhaps, but we'll see what happens at 2 o'clock here and 1:30. But we did come
Yeah,
back
we
down.
should
We
watch
filled
that
that.
1 minute dealing range, eh, Leopard?
That's what I'm gonna watch here. Yeah, yeah.
Though we haven't broken a
We
high, but
haven't.
I still
Yeah.
got a feeling we're not done yet with a
Well,
retracement.
I'm watching the 1 minute equal highs here at 299.75. If we close above
Okay.
those, that would set up our dealing range to then possibly get like some kind of 50% retrace. So it's kind of what I'm looking at right here.
299. I see.
I wouldn't say bearish, bear and Wolfit. We're just kind of like in the middle here. I was bearish down to these hourly equal lows, and then ES still has strength, so I thought this could be like a soup or like you could have took like I took the 1 minute OB here. I took the retest of it right here at 283, aiming for these equal highs. But not necessarily bearish, but based on what happens at 2 o'clock, will then give me some kind of bias. If Because obviously at 1:30 we always expect some kind of Judas swing, and then usually what happens at 2 o'clock is the way we go the rest of the afternoon. That's why 2 o'clock is always a good time for turtle soups.
Here, Leopard.
Yep.
I'm watching the 5 minute order block here with the volume imbalance below. If we validate that
Oh
order
yeah.
block, there could be a retracement down to that 5 VI and
Yep.
then up.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
It-
Yeah, because that's a 5 minute VI, but it was a 1 minute too. But
Oh, it didn't validate the damn thing.
it did not. We did not close above this. So Mark was talking about this here. This 120 candle. If we closed above it, that'd be a fat 5 minute bullish OB. So
Yeah, very nice one.
yeah, I mean we still have the equal highs above. So
Oh, I know. Yeah, so I think we're still going up. It's
yeah,
just a question of how it chooses to, because a lot
yeah,
of what it's doing today, which is really difficult, is it's saving all the retracements in obvious areas for
Mm-hmm.
later and just whipping away.
Yep.
Like when it faked those equal lows this morning was really that was
It
brutal at
was tough.
11:30.
Yeah.
I mean, I was that just killed me
And then we
because
didn't
I was
even
so
go up and take the 930 highs.
no,
But you could tell it like when we were pumping back up, how and then we just kind of stalled. If it felt just like last week, like we could not
yeah,
take a high for anything. But
totally.
either do you think we're going up
Yeah, I've
to
taken a few trades. I was trading the range. It took me a while, but I eventually there. If you look at the 15-minute, there was a validated order block at Leopard has it on the screen at 12:15 that came out of the
12:15?
new day
Yep.
opening gap. Once we closed below that, I sold the low of that into the lows. Basically got out of my drawdown and a little bit more, but
Yep.
it wasn't a stellar day by any means.
Yep.
Like I hit my apex multiple account targets, but
Yep.
the stuff I'm more aggressive on is not
Yep.
doing much.
Yeah. Is Rafi in here? You gotta. Nope. No, I don't see him. Nope. Oh, there he is. Okay. Mark's been doing good. You should see his.
Yeah,
Uh.
I got my regular daily target on my things, but I had to fight like hell for it. It was the hardest $300 per count I've ever earned.
Yeah.
Um,
Nikas, he's talking about this 15-minute OB, the 12:15 one right here. As soon as we close below, he shorted here. He rode
and the reason it
this
was a
drawdown,
validated
but
order block is it rejected the new day opening gap and
yeah,
equilibrium.
yeah. So it's kind of like a
That's
confirmation
why I
OB.
liked it.
Yep,
Because the 5 minutes are not doing much, so you kind of need the 15. The fives are faking everything
yep,
too,
yep.
which they don't usually do.
Mhm. Yeah, this is where I usually just wait until 2 o'clock to take something, but I just like this 1 minute. I like the displacement in this 1 minute OB here, so
I think we're gonna get a retracement in this
probably.
first. I feel like those lows like that are right above that volume imbalance and
Mhm.
FVG below are just way too juicy, but it really rushed
Yep.
those, so who knows? You got equal
Yeah.
lows there pretty
We do
much.
have equal lows. Yeah. 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 They are equal lows, aren't they? Yep.
Yeah.
283.25 and 283.25. So yeah.
So we have rejected this hourly BISI. We have not taken a 930 high, so I kind
Yep.
of I'm also looking at that as a potential target
Yep.
if we can get a real retracement here
Yep. Uh,
and re-enter.
wouldn't you rather see us take these highs first though, and then get a retracement?
I'm still learning and mastering, my friend.
Yep.
I wish I was even there.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, that would take the highs too, sure.
Yep.
One way or the other. I mean, we're not
Well,
going to get the retracement most likely until we get the highs anyway.
it would then give us a dealing range, is what I'm. So we do have two sets
Yeah,
of
yeah.
equal lows here. Um, two sets of equal lows. These equal lows line up with the 5 minute volume imbalance. There's also an untapped volume imbalance down here at 276 as well. Um,
Yeah, Dreamer.
yep.
It's a never-ending, continuous job to keep
Yep.
learning more. Never. Second, you think you're a master is when you're going to start losing money.
This isn't. Yep.
Because you're just going to become cocky and too relaxed, and it's not good.
Yep.
You always got to as the ICT always says, you always got to be mindful of the risk because it's always there,
Yep.
and it'll bite you if you think you know everything. It'll teach you otherwise.
Yep.
Like you
Here,
have to listen to the market
oh
like
yeah.
very carefully
Yeah. I'm gonna
and
show
manage
them
risk.
this.
Like that RAFI small account thing saved my butt because I had a couple of losses, but because it was micros and because it was small amounts, I was able to recover from it well once I had a winning trade. But if
Yep.
my
Mhm.
regular accounts where I'm trading like 5 minis, that would have ended them.
Yep. So this was what Mark was talking about when he came on. This is where Wizard sold to. Down here, 270. There's your 2.5 standard deviations of Asia. As I was saying this morning, if you were in there, we almost always hit 2.5 of Asia in either direction. So uh, it's perfect right there. But let's turn off the sessions. Oh, Halo's up in here. Okay, what up, Halo?
Hello, the video game.
Yeah, yeah, the video game.
Yo, I'm just kidding. I think we might get a retracement here of some sort.
Good. Well,
Um,
50% lines up with those equal lows, and also lines
you
up
got to
with
be
the
careful because we're
5 minute
we're
VI.
slamming into that 15-minute prop block.
Yep.
It's like not. There's no guarantee it's going to retrace. Although
Uh,
the time says it should.
yeah. Crunchy, if you hit it during London session, which is sometimes happens, then you're just your SOL for a good target for Asia. You could look and see if you go for a four, which ends up being like some kind of manipulation, like up to four sometimes. But yeah, it just makes for an easy target if it's still there during the New York. Yeah,
Funny
from
because I have other ones, but there's other ones like Top Step where I don't have consistency targets. So,
yeah.
I wait for AAA plus setups and I load them
Mm-hmm.
up
Yep.
and get a payout in like 4 days. So
Yep.
the Apex is the bread and butter for me.
Yeah.
The other ones are like the upside, which I'll take a little more risk in sometimes.
Yeah. Mark was
But with
solely
Apex, it
top
doesn't
step.
let you.
We've slowly convinced him.
Yeah, it took Leopard about a year almost to convince me to go to Apex. I never trusted them. And I still don't love it, but it
Yeah.
works with the Rafi method.
Yep. So yeah, winning. Yeah, you draw it from the top of Asia to the to so basically just place zero and you're a one on the Asia high and low
And
and
just to let you know, guys know, Asia's 8 p.m. to midnight.
yep. The Raffi method.
Rafi slash Jade Cap method.
Yeah.
Jade Cap's the guy I was talking about this weekend who
Yep.
has in 1 month like 15 million accounts, and he's got
Yep.
like 20 Apex 150s that he does like a
Yep.
thousand plus a day on. Guy's a beast. He's had
Yep.
like 1.2 million in payouts.
Oh yeah.
One of the top guys from the ICT charter
Mentorship.
mentorship. He's like Rafi on steroids.
Yep. Like a valid 30 second? Right here. So right here, this one that just happened was a 30-second inverse right here. See, we get the close over. Right here's your retest, and then you're off to the races here. Probably go to break even at like the nearest like high, so probably like 294, and then that would also be your 10 points from here. Then you just go break even, and then you're just riding the rest here. So oh, was it Eater? I didn't even pay attention to that. So yeah, that makes sense. You're talking about the 1 minute from the highs overnight. Nice. Yeah. Okay, you're talking about the 4 o'clock soup. Yeah. Okay. Yep. I can see that. Yep. Right up here.
It's like we're back into a little bit of chop here.
Hmm. I've been trading since I started in 2013. How do you know about soups? So yeah, so soups is basically you just have to have like an obvious draw one way, uh, a higher time frame like PD array. So like if like so like say if you want to soup this, it's your higher time frame PD array would it would have been this hourly FEG plus you're in a 4 hour, but and then we had equal lows here. So and you could tell like and also in SMT is also another big thing for us soups. So like like if you have an SMT, a higher time frame PD array, and like an obvious draw the other way, you can look for soups. But still think the biggest thing for soups is time, because like there's 2 times during the day we expect some kind of like AMD or Power of Three or whatever you all want to call it. And what time are those? We expect some kind of like Judas from 9:30 to 10. Sometimes 9:30 is the Judas, but like usually like 10 o'clock we expect some kind of possible reversal or a reversal at for like the 1:30 Judas, and then the 2 o'clock could be a soup time. So I think the biggest thing is like is times. So
Five
other than
minute
that,
is
yeah.
validated Leopard.
Oh, it is. Yep. Okay. We didn't
And
close above it.
you've got a breaker here
Yep.
on the one. Might not even get a retracement with that. But I'd like to see 50. It probably will in this
Yep.
market.
Yep.
But it seems like it's in a rush
Yep.
to go somewhere.
Yep.
It may not. It might just go up somewhere and then reverse viciously.
It might. Yeah. Yeah. Either I'll just clip what I just said. I'll turn it into a soundboard.
Oh, sorry, Leopard, you got a 15-minute too.
Did we close over the 15 too? Oh, we
Yes,
did.
I think we did.
Okay.
Yeah, 15 is a much better time
All right.
frame for what do you call it, confirmation.
Information.
I'm interested to see what kind of retracement we get here
Mm-hmm.
because there's not a lot of room in that 15.
Yep.
Like I don't know, it might come back down later and deal with the VIs and everything
Good.
down below. I'd rather it took it out. If it's gonna do a full run up, I'd rather it took it out now. But
Dude, no. Well, we might need to close over, and then if and we might need a dealing range first here, which we just
we
got.
have one.
So yeah, we have one now. Okay. Yeah. I was just watching a 5 minute, so. But the
Yeah,
thing is, we didn't really get a straight line thing. Like we kind of like stalled. You know, we kind of got like
consolidated.
the 1 2 3 method of a dealing range instead of a like straight up.
You look at the higher one, right?
Yeah. Yeah. See, because now we put in a 5 minute OB. Do you really want to see that 5 minute OB, violated?
There's a VI down there that I like on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. And the 5 minute, yeah.
5 minutes farther down.
Yeah.
If we, I don't know, like the five to get to that 5 minute VI, we got to get through a bunch of stuff
Mm-hmm.
like two order block. I mean, the other VI is right around CE of the order block,
Yeah.
debating which one's better because it
Yep.
might save the 5 minute for after it takes a major eye.
Could. Yep.
But I wouldn't do a long unless I at least see that 1 minute VI get tagged.
Yep.
Oh, I missed that plyo.
Oh.
11
Yep.
a.m. I think was that. Oh,
Yep.
I think it was after 11 when I was licking my wounds over those equal lows not getting tagged.
Poor Mark.
All right, so we're hitting that 1 minute FEG, which I think
You're
will
talking
give us
about.
a retracement
Oh yeah.
probably.
You're talking this little guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We did leave equal highs up there. Well, we should go back up and take those.
Yeah, but maybe this will give us retracement at least.
Oh yeah.
Maybe not.
I mean, we just got a 5 minute OB and a 15 minute OB. I can't see us retracing too much.
Like that,
But
there's a
obviously,
volume imbalance below. See that one at
yeah, the 1 minute down here at 295.
291. Yeah,
Oh, and 291. Yeah. What?
291's a biggie.
Yeah. There's triple equal highs.
This is a hard way to earn money, man.
It
Like
is.
it's
It's tough today.
way better days than today.
Yep. See if we can validate a 1 minute OB here, but we'll see if we probably should push over through this 1 minute.
I would want those volume balances taken care of. I don't know. I wouldn't really trust it if it did, unless it just does a quick whip up and
Yeah.
comes down. If you want to take a long for a long,
Yeah. Okay. We left 1 minute equal lows here. We did validate this 1 minute OB that we just dug
those equal
into.
lows, I don't know if we'll even get to. There's like
They're
a lot of stuff between us.
they're far. Yeah. You have to go through a 15. You have to go through a 5 minute. A 5 minute. Yeah. Be tough. But.
Anything can happen, especially in this
Mhm.
market.
We still got the triple equal highs.
We're coming
Uh,
up to like 150.
Not really, Perry. I just took my SHIB position and enjoyed that, so I'm
Are
good
those
with
equal
crypto
highs
for a
on the
while.
1 minute there, Leopard?
They are triple equal highs.
Ooh. Leave those boys. Come down to that little big, juicy, fat guy.
Mm-hmm. Appreciate you, Gator. Okay. Okay. Yep. Oh, all right. Here comes the VIs. Where does this VI line up? This VI almost lines up with the body of the 5 minute,
Lower VI or the higher VI?
the higher one. No. Yeah, Joe, I do. Yep, I use inversal quite a bit.
No tag of that lower VI yet.
Hmm.
Might do a little soup there to get it. Maybe not. Oh, man, that's not happening.
All right, there's the. All right, we closed over all these, so now we've got a 1 minute OB here. Uh, closed over all
I still
these.
feel like it needs to soup something.
Yeah, well, you might get a soup here at 2 o'clock mark. Let's see.
Reliable. Yeah, I mean DD is a heavy fair value gap trader. That's his strategy. Works great for him. Like
Hmm.
for me, I'm like more holistic. Like I kind of look at everything, which is good and bad. Sometimes it makes me miss things, but we didn't violate CE with the bodies in that 1 minute. But I mean, especially like I think when
Yeah.
you're watching your trades, understanding how the order flow prints is very important to decide whether you want to get the hell out or keep going.
Yep.
And even then, I still get burned a lot,
Yep.
especially when you're wrong with bias. It's like it's almost impossible. The only thing that can help you with that is risk management.
Yep.
I think
All right.
50% of this big
Let's
swing.
see. Well, we just hit 50% here. Yeah, that was 50%. So, yep.
87.
Yep.
Okay, I had a
All right.
feeling it would soup this.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure I have a good feeling about going up. I'm just like I think getting in is a challenge here
Yeah. Yep.
because it can really come down far and it might respect that consolidation and might not.
Thing is, I just don't know what we would come up for. I mean, I guess we got London highs
The
all the way
15
up
minute
there.
there's a 15-minute high,
Yeah, there's a 5 minute FEG up here, but
and there's all that unbalanced 1
yep.
minute up all the way up to the breaker. There's a volume imbalance up there.
Mhm.
There's a ton of stuff. If you just look at the 1 minute on the way up,
Yep.
a lot of unbalanced stuff that needs to be taken care of.
Mhm. Yeah, I was watching ES. ES finally took out London highs, but ES London highs did not take out uh, Friday's highs. So we still have the SMT, or ES has not taken Friday's high, but I don't know if that
I say
holds
it
much
might
weight.
inverse this one leopard.
I think so.
Oh, still
Maybe.
respecting CE.
Mhm.
That's
Door
small, it might
close.
get it. But I would be careful on the inverse too, because it's really high.
Yeah, those equal highs at 333. The thing is, where are those? Okay, yeah.
Still respecting CE.
Yep, yep, still is. Left another 1 minute VI down here.
Yeah, Shane, you're smart.
Yeah,
Very smart move, buddy.
yep.
It's PI's ass. Total crap. The IPA.
I mean, no, we did not get a close over there of that last 5 minute down candle. Yeah, we closed right to the tick of it. So
Did close over it.
the five
Oh,
minute,
which one? The one below. Oh, yeah.
the five
Probably.
minute from yeah 145.
I feel like it. Like, I mean, it could go. It should give a stop run before it takes off, but who
I mean,
knows?
it would be a 5 minute prop block if we get it, but I don't know. 2 o'clock's coming, so let's see.
Yeah, I feel like they're just. Here we go. Yeah,
Yep.
you're right.
Let's see.
Like there's going to be some enticement here.
Oh yeah.
Today's nasty.
KG, what are you trading with? Apex or I'm assuming Apex. Yeah, so you have to do it for if it's been 6, then today would technically be 7 if you counted
Here we
that,
go. Inversed.
and then you have to get it to it 10 days. Yeah. All right, 1 minute inversed. We should push it up to yeah 306 should be an easy target here. Oh yeah, it is still 1 day to pass on Apex. So if you just passed, yeah, you should be
For
good.
today, right?
Yep.
It's over at the
Yep.
end.
Yeah, Wizard right for once.
Wizard, right? That's impossible, man.
uh, he had a nice short though. He had a nice.
I'm joking. Wizard is a wizard.
he
I'm
shorted as soon
smart.
as we took London Lows today. So as soon as London Lows broke after 5 a.m., he shorted to the 2.5 of Asia.
Good trade, bro.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, KG. After today, 1 day's over with. So as of 4:59 Eastern time. Right. Yeah, I agree. Eater. This is. Oh, you just put in 2.5 on your fib uh, trolley and just draw. Put 1 and 0 on the age range and you'll see where 2.5 lands.
Broken inverse, boys.
Yep.
Maybe not.
Let's see. I want to see where this 5 minute candle closes here. If we close over this.
Everyone talking about inverses now. Maybe they've gotten smart like everything else.
The lack of displacement here might say something too.
For the high.
Yeah. So now we got a 1 minute BPR on above us.
I think it's gonna go do a stop run on the low, possibly.
Yep. Let's see. 2 o'clock's here. Yes. Clock's here. Where's the 5 minute candle? So we did not close over that 5 minute. That is nuts. Okay. All right. Yeah, we mentioned that. Yep. Yeah, the 1 hour. Yep. On the lows. Yep. That's why a lot of people took this 1 minute inverse or the 30 second because the SMT. Yeah. Yep. Oh, all right, there's your VI, Mark.
Which one?
The
It's
one
not even
minute
got to
at
any.
298 that you were talking about.
Oh no, the ones I'm talking about is all the way down at 92.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're talking about this one. This big boy.
Yeah.
What's up?
What up?
What up, Mark?
How's it going? Who's that, Taylor?
Not too bad, not
Mm-hmm.
too
The Wizard,
bad.
sorry. How's it going, buddy?
Yeah,
Nice trade.
thanks. Yeah, I caught that. And then AM was it was messy, but it was a lot of it was I took three shorts off of one protected high. That's what I did. That what high was it? On the 1 minute, that 930 where was it? No. It would have been the 941 1 minute candle was a protected high. So I shorted that and just watched it all morning.
Look at that
It's a
stop
little
there.
bit different
Yeah.
strategy. It's a little bit different of a strategy than what we normally take in here, but that
Oh,
was
it's a
about the
good
only
one.
one that really worked.
Um, I don't know what. No, it's a nice one. I mean, you have to like play the ranges when you're in this kind of shit.
Mm-hmm.
Question now is
Yeah.
like, it looks like we're getting a big squeeze, huh?
Yeah. Well, we just dug into the. Yeah. We just hit the body of the 15
Didn't even
minute.
take a proper low, hey?
Nope. We hit the body. We hit the open of that 15 minute OB, and that's where we bounced.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. And we get 306 this time. So we got another 1 minute OB off of that low. Oh. Yeah, Bam, we're aware of this
Dropping
one.
like
Yep.
you inversed that BPR twice.
We
It
did.
should hold now.
Yeah. Should hit 306 here. Is anybody in this right now? I think some people are along here. Yep. Okay. Okay. Nice. All right. There's 306. Really like the 5 minute OB entry, but it was still off live, long even. Nice. Okay. All right, but
Like
that's
to see it take the
equal highs.
15-minute high at least.
Yeah. Yeah. At 312. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
It's
what's up?
really
What's up?
crap though.
What's
This
up?
is really tricky, PA.
What up, Levi?
What's up? I'm positioned in it long right now.
Yeah. Same.
Do you remember that 930 high we didn't take out we were aiming for?
Yep.
So I think we're
Need
drawing
some displacement
Good.
though.
Yeah.
Really like sloppy, slow.
Very.
so. Where
See.
were you able to get in? Where did you get in?
I took the 1 minute OB off the lows
Up close
at 283,
to
and then
283.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah, it's just freaking slow for some reason. Like you would think it would be quick, but
yep.
not a low resistance liquidity run.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it takes a high and then it does this wicked
Yep.
retracement over and over.
I might come down and test the
That's what it's
bot.
been doing all day.
I might test the open of this 1 minute OB.
There's no like take off and run like it usually does.
Yeah. And I was able to get a really small stop.
Look at that.
Yep.
That entry.
That's just manipulation at its finest. That wick.
Uh,
Nastiness.
Reliable. I took a long off the OB from 1324. This candle that took the low. So as soon as we close above here, I put a limit in at the wick down here. Oh,
Showing no respect whatsoever for this BPR here on the 1 minute. It's like not
yeah,
really holding it.
yeah.
It's
I
kind of
take the
ignoring
wick.
it.
The body's sometimes easier. Just sometimes we just don't hit the body, so I just unless it's like a huge wick, then I'll wait for the body. But yeah, reliable. It just kind of depends what the market structure looks like at that time, like where the nearest 1 minute is. If it's 20 points up, I'll just I'll trim it 10. But
Damn, deep pullback.
or if we have equal highs, then I'll just hold for it. But
Steep pullback.
yeah,
It's just
yeah.
ranging right now. It's not doing shit. It's shaking everyone up before it goes wherever it wants to go.
Mm-hmm. That 1 minute didn't hold. Yeah, Nick, so yeah, just basically whatever gives the better RR. But yeah. But I guess the 1 minute OB entry was also a 1 minute inverse. It was also the 1 minute inverse down here, so or a 30-second, whichever one you liked. So. Damn. Yeah, it's
Awful.
it just feels like last Monday Tuesday where we go up and we almost take a high and then we just dump all the way back. Like it
Worse.
just feels heavy. Yeah. All right, there's the lower VI at 291.
They come all the way down. Like
Might.
it's not just gonna do that
Yeah.
for
Equal lows are there at
none of it. It's
283.
going that 5 minute VI, 285.
Yep.
Or lower.
It would give us a full retest of the 1 minute body. We never hit the body here too, so I mean this is a. So let's look at 50% here. This is where we kind of look at 50%.
It's in a 15-minute order block right now. OB.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a
We're hitting
5. It's a
cost per
15.
encroachment right now. To the tick. To the tick on that order block.
Yep. Do we leave a?
But look at the 50% of this whole
Yeah,
range,
that's what I'm looking at. Right at 288.
which is right around the VI.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the VI sits down here. So. But if we hit the VI, we're probably gonna take the equal lows too. So. Going long 83.25. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. I said 50% will hold. All this will hold if buy side is still above. If we're still bullish here. Otherwise, if we wipe through all of this, we're gonna end up going lower. So
Yeah,
it's only when
it got
dealing
really
ranges
close
work.
to my stop.
Yep.
Got really close to my stop.
Yep. Yeah, S&P the highs. Yep.
No one really took a 15-minute S&P though. And now Dow is taking a low.
Yep. All right, so we only hit that one. Wish we would have hit 50% here. I would have liked this 1 minute a little bit better. But anyone taking that?
Yeah, I don't watch Dow closely,
Yep.
but yeah, it looks much cleaner. Are you saying the inverse here, Leopard?
Yeah. I wish we hit 50. I wish we hit 50%. I would have liked it a lot more.
Yeah,
But
there's too
well,
much under here. Like
yeah.
it's like open for a nice run. Like
Well, actually, let me look at something here. I'm gonna go. Let's see.
what's your 50%? Let me check again. It's
ES hit 50%, so NQ doesn't necessarily have to. I know there's
yeah.
stuff below, but sure,
Kind of
there
have
ain't much.
relative equal lows.
Yeah. Oh yeah, down here.
below you too,
Yep.
above 50%.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah, ES at 50%, so but still, yeah, if you want NQ to hit it, best case, this is not inverse. But there's equal lows with this untapped 1 minute, and this 1 minute OB has not been tapped into, so could absolutely be a draw here. And then this should hold. If we inverse this, then we know obviously we're going right down, or at least go down as VI, but probably just the lows. But all right, we might get a 5 minute OB won't be in for a hot minute. My fib settings. So there's not really much to my fib settings. I guess I could. I don't know why I drew a second one. That's my fib settings. I mean, I can snapshot it for you and post it in here, but there's not much to it.
There's nothing too exciting to talk about here, guys.
Nope,
Like
there
it's
isn't.
a choppy mess.
What if we get a 1 minute OB here, Mark? With the 1
I
minute
don't know.
inverse.
Honestly, like I would normally say great, but
Yeah.
this
Yep.
morning I had a lot of pain playing with
Yeah.
normal. Like very likely could come down, slam through these equal lows
Mhm.
with a big ugly wick, and then go.
Yep.
We're hitting 212 now.
Oh.
So is 212 going to give us a retracement or move up or nothing?
Here's 50% back up. If we get, are you talking about if we get the 5 minute OB, would that be a prop block? This one? Kind of. This one was kind of the prop block right here. That you see it already failed. So
We never validated it. Still
yeah,
might.
yeah. Yeah. All good. Don't be sorry. Anyway, take this 1 minute though.
OB?
Yeah.
The
Or well,
inverse.
the inverse. Yeah. Oh my God, Dodgy is alive.
Oh, is Dodgy there?
He's 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 on the stage. But,
Oh my goodness.
okay. Okay.
Yo,
Yo.
I deleted my trading view for the day, but I'm gonna I'll probably make like a quick update later when I've got time. I really think the only trade that anyone should have taken all day was probably when he swept those equal lows and got that long set up. But
Yeah.
other than that, I probably would never touch anything.
Yeah, we really didn't take anything this morning either.
Dude, I'm dealing with so much drama right now, and I wasn't even going on Discord, and Tanya sent me a bunch of screenshots of this like disgusting these disgusting chats, and I had to take care of that now.
Oh
so
my gosh.
um
Sucks to be famous.
yeah, now she's all mad at me, and she's like, and then she left my server and she unfollowed me
Oh my gosh.
because of what people Mark. Yeah, she was like, she searched up her name in my Discord, and it like tells people what people say about her,
Oh
like,
yeah.
and again, that has nothing to do with me, bro. Like, I'm
Right. Yeah.
like I don't think she understands how Discord is.
You can't control that many people. What people? Yeah. Like.
Yeah, exactly. And I have mods, and we just added
Yeah.
like a
Oh boy.
a thing to a bot that won't let people use like bad profanity, but so hopefully that'll help. But
Jesus. So
yeah,
you're not
this
gonna.
is
Oh my God.
yeah. Are you long off this OB or 30-second or anything?
Some of us are long off the. I'm long off the 1 minute OB. A lot of people took this 1 minute in the 1 minute inverse off the hourly equal lows too. So you should be proud of that.
Yeah, I see. I think that was the only play even worth attempting.
Yeah.
I don't even
Yeah.
even if this works right here, I don't think there's anything worth attempting.
Yeah.
So my plan going into the day, what do you think my plan going into the day was?
My bias was the hourly FEG above. That's what I told chat this morning.
Yeah, was too, but I
Because we didn't
expected us
displace
to
over the
reject it.
Friday's high either. So
Yeah, I expected us to reject it though. Why do you think I thought that?
I mean, there was an SMT.
I don't know. SMT. I literally just checked the chart for 2 seconds, and I just immediately just.
I
It's
don't
a
know. I'd
leopard.
have to look at. I'd have to look at it, but I mean, I mean, if you're talking about getting I mean, we're way too high.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I wanted to target this morning.
Mhm.
What do you think I want the target?
Equilibrium.
I was looking for a 4 hour 50% this morning, but
Exactly. Exactly. That was my
Mhm.
target.
Yep.
That's
It's
why I figured I'm like, okay, we should reject this hourly for like up and at least go to the 50%, and then
Yeah.
after the 50%, I have no idea,
Yep. Yep.
and we haven't hit it yet. So,
Yep.
but yeah, I'll make an update video later. I'm gonna go enjoy myself now, though.
Yep. Do it. You're on vacation.
I just had to hop on Discord and deal with some of this drama. So,
Drama on
good luck.
vacation. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, good luck.
I just want to say for everyone in this voice chat, right here, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys.
Everyone's in here,
This,
so.
yeah, no, I think this is the time most people lose or blow accounts. Like just like all time highs. Like I don't know, it's just like all time highs. Like um, I don't know, it's just a weird price action. This is where I see a lot of people lose accounts. They like this is when I'd be trading the least.
Yeah.
It's like all time highs price action, but we're too high to like long. It's
Yeah.
just it's weird. I just I didn't even I'm not trading all week. I want us to retrace back down into a range. I think price action will get better. It's just this is definitely the time I see a lot of people blow accounts and they give up trading. But if you can make it through like days like today and kind of know that, like you'll do better. You know.
I agree. Yep.
But yeah, like I definitely a time where I see a lot of people blow accounts and just um how do you not blow accounts in this price action? Taking a loss and being done for the day. And I'm not talking about two losses. I'm
Mhm.
talking about one loss. If I
Yeah.
take a loss during the day and if I take one loss and we're all time highs and I see price action like this, I will not even try to get that back.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just done.
It's too hard to get back in a range like this. Like.
Yeah, I agree. That's it. Just if it's volatile, I get it. Like you can make it back, but if I take one loss in price action like I see today, I'm just done.
Yeah.
I can't, you know. So, but yeah, that's my advice on how to not give up and how to not blow your account on this price action. And the advice is not to get a lot of wins. It's to, if you do take a loss, just I'll switch my rule to usually I accept two losses a day, but I'll take one loss a day and just stop
Yep.
in price action like this. So, all right, well, have fun. I'll send an update video later.
Yep. All right. We'll be
All
here.
right, later.
Yep.
Peace. Well, that 1 minute will be held. See if we go back and retest 312 here. I think is Wizard still in here? Taylor, or is the 1241 highs the ones you were talking about that were protected? Were those the ones you were talking about? And I'm talking to a brick wall. Okay.
Not. He's probably trading.
He's also
Yo.
on vacation. So,
Yo,
oh,
yo, yo.
what
No, no, no. I'm here. I'm here.
what were
I
those
gotta
1 minute?
look.
What? Yeah. I'm just.
Or what you talking about? Protected highs?
Yeah.
Um.
Talking about the 1241 ones because these ones put in a new low, right? And then we never close back over these highs. So these are still protected.
1241.
Yeah. Are those the ones you're talking about?
Um. Yeah, catch up here. I've been away.
Oh my gosh. All right, give us 312 here.
Yeah, money man, money man. Let's go. Let's go. Who's holding it? Who's holding it? All the way to the high.
Still in. I'll take some off at 312 here.
Bet.
312, and then I'll yeah, we'll
Let's
shoot
go.
for 930.
Yeah. I have. Yeah. I wanna at least take off something.
Yep.
9:30. You mean
9
8:30?
930
Oh,
9:30.
9:30 highs.
9:30 high.
8:30. 334 is the level. Got it.
To this 100% resting buy
Damn,
sell.
Blio. Okay. Okay. Give us 312.
Yes.
Yep. figured out yet, Wizard?
Yeah, I would say this 102 candle would be your protected high.
Okay. So if we close
Um,
above that, then you would
11,
consider, yeah.
yeah, because I would say originally it would been 1119 candle. That's the last high before we closed below those
1119.
or no. That's the last one that took it to like a new low.
Yeah.
And then
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you're saying this
see how
was
we respected
1119
that
was
really nicely.
1119 was respected here. See how we never closed
And
back
then
over it because this was the
and
this
then
was the last high that sent us to a new low, and then
yes, and then I would say now it's the 102 candle because that is the last swing high that took us to another low.
okay.
Now that
So
becomes protected. If we close above that,
then you expect
really
higher.
you could
Yeah.
you could even say like 111
Yeah.
as well.
Hmm.
You could say 111 too. So it's right here's a little iffy. That's where I'm still kind of learning with
Yeah.
it.
This
But
is more
that's the
Dave
way I
models
really
stuff, guys. But
yeah. Because originally I took a short this morning off of the 930 high that took us straight to a new low.
mm-hmm.
And then when we came back up close to it, I took a short
Gotcha.
back towards the low. And when we closed below it, we just kept making protected highs.
You just
a lot of my condition was that 930 protected high there.
Yeah.
As you can see, we still have not closed above it because of that. And we're every time we make a new low, anywhere there's a swing high, that's a protected. That would be your break of structure back up.
Yep.
But you need to know your bias of which way you're going.
Yep.
Like right now I'm bearish bias, so I'm not taking any kind of like break of structures up. But that's just me.
Gotcha.
Or all day I was.
Seek and destroy. It's pure seek and destroy.
Yep.
It's like taking highs and
Yep.
lows.
Yeah, this is our.
It didn't even take 812. Like, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, this will be our 1 minute breaker here
Or
with
312, sorry.
FPG. So yeah.
Well, it's hitting that propulsion block, so it should launch the damn thing up.
Right. You sound like a man that's long right now, Mark.
Oh, of course I'm long. But it's tough to be long when price action is such a
It is.
bitch.
Yeah.
It's in a breaker right now.
Yeah, it's in this 1 minute breaker and a 1 minute FEG. So.
You know, I like the fact that my
As well as we did close over that 5 minute too. So this is now a 5 minute OB that should
block.
possibly.
It should just. That's what I'm saying. It should.
Yeah.
It should like be knocking price way up.
Yep. Well, guess what? It's not doing its job, Mark.
Oh.
Bruh. There's no way to just give
brutal.
back all of that.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Yeah, Mark has a very calming voice. But we could. I mean, if that breaker fails with that, I mean, then breaker fails, your bias is usually wrong.
A breaker
so.
fail with equal highs, like it's unheard of, you know. But it is happening today. It's this kind of price action that kills accounts, you know.
Yeah.
Dodgy's right.
I mean, that's what
digging deep into that prop block.
That's what Wizard was just saying. though. This is your protected high, like.
Protected, whatever. Who's protecting
You
eyes?
can't fuck
Got
with
some
me, Mark.
security guard.
The security guard.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell, you know? Like,
Security.
they want the high, they're gonna take the high.
That's where you got to be careful too. Sometimes if you're taking inverses towards protected highs and stuff, that's why sometimes it doesn't deliver. That could be why.
Okay, Dave.
But it doesn't
well,
mean it can't take it. It just can't close above it.
I mean, it's
Okay.
pretty much
we can sweep
yeah.
that high.
It's pretty much just like an ITL or an ITH in a market maker or buy or sell model. But I mean, like.
The way I see it is that we got these 50-minute highs and no SMT. And this is just a nasty stop room.
Yeah.
We've gone way below and rejected. It needs liquidity on the other side of the equation now. It should be seeking.
It did on Friday.
Friday was a trend day.
Yep.
I wouldn't call this a trend day.
Oh yeah.
I don't know
Anyways,
what it
wondering.
is.
Here's the earnings for this week. I forgot to share. I'm probably gonna short
It's
Campbell's
overrunning
soup.
all these FEGs and then coming back right through them.
Yep.
And you're seeing that it's respecting the inverses on the way up and not on the way down. Sorry, Leopard, were you saying something?
Nope.
There's not much to
Yep.
say here.
Ad whip I do sometimes. I usually tend to like swing stocks though with like 4 hour inverses. If there's obvious liquidity above.
Digging into the equilibrium of that dealing range now. On the
Yep.
1 minute.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm still in this. I'm just in it because I'm in way down here, so. So that doesn't mean to enter up here. Please don't. Leopard swing stocks. I put notifications in my Leopard channel. So whenever I like swing something, it's been a little while since I have, but I've never trailed my stop loss ever since I've been trading. I'm just not a trail kind of guy.
Yo, this shit is
Andrew down
doing its
here,
own thing.
the 124 OB, because it was also a woman inverse as well. So
Retesting that inverse, you think? Leopard?
that's what I'm looking at. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Also, like if we hit 230, we could get a reversal one way or the other too. Kind of came back down into the original order block on the 5 minute.
So can I go over my trimming sequence? So yeah, basically I entered here when we got the retest of it right here, and then seeing that I figured we should at least go make a dealing range. So these highs and these equal highs were right here. So I took some off here, took some off here, and I went to break even here, and then now I'm just writing. I'm trying to sell more at 312 and then hold a runner. I got 3 MNQ here, so and then some for 930. So it's basically just like an inverse, like you're just aiming for the next high, but like if we get like a 1 minute OB here, and I think we just hit a higher time frame PD array down here and took some sell side, we should go put in some kind of dealing range if we intend to go higher. So we should at least hit like these first 1 minute highs. So is there a video that explains the 2022 model? There's the whole 2022 ICT
Go into ICT
mentorship.
and search. Yeah, exactly.
If you haven't watched that, you absolutely should. But yeah, there's 40 of them. Triple equal lows here. It might be quad equal lows. Nope, it's not. But we do have triple equal lows here. Look at this big boy mark up here at 307.
Yeah, there's tons of that I've seen, but it's not seeking it like it normally does.
Yeah. If we took
Making
these
a very
lows,
hard hold.
yeah.
Yeah, very. Price is not moving in its normal pattern.
It feels just like last Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah. You have to buy at the extremities, It's kind of all you can do.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Sell the highs and lows. Like you can't get in the middle.
It's just range
You get
trading.
ripped. Like it could leave those quad equal lows, go up and do its business and come back later.
Yep, we could go hit this 1 minute up here and absolutely dump from there. Surprised we didn't put in a dealing range here though. Like we did not close below we didn't close below these lows here. So be interesting. I'm curious to see what happens at this 1 minute up here, if we even draw to it. I mean, there's a 2 minute.
Yeah.
There's a 2 minute FVG right here in the way. It's a 2 minute BPR. So be It's nothing on the 3 minutes, just a 3 minute OB, but
Like in this kind of like range, you cannot chase momentum.
no, not at
Literally.
all.
It'll destroy you every time.
Yep.
I've actually sometimes tested like going against momentum, and it works quite well in rangy days. As soon as you think it's like crazily momentum in one direction, go the other. It's a hard thing to do.
Yep.
But I made a lot of demo bucks doing that. The
Demo
only problem is
baller.
that there's one momentum that you go against might be the wrong one. But in a range day, it's a great way to as soon as the momentum slows, great way to get in.
Here comes the VI. It looks like up here at 306. Would you short this mark down to the equal lows?
Nope.
You're still long, aren't you? Right?
Yeah. I am.
Okay. What was your entry, Mark?
It was when we took the low.
Oh, that's right. You souped it. You're in way before. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that was it's still a tough hold. Like it's just kind of frustrating.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yep.
Didn't even get to the volume and balance. See that?
Nope. Did not. Exactly why you can't chase right there.
You can't pay attention to inverses unless you're at extremities.
They're tough. Inverses at 50% are very, very tough. You just don't know unless, there's an obvious draw.
Especially in a range day, you know.
Yeah.
Really working the breaker.
We're still holding that. We're still holding a 5 minute OB here. Holding a 5 minute.
It's a lot of mental equity, man.
Oh, it is. It is.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
It burns you out.
Yeah.
Yes,
right
it's rocketing
now.
up too now. I don't like that. It might take the high.
ES is moving. Yeah.
I never thought I'd say the day ES was so much more bullish than NAS, you know.
Yeah. ES. Yeah.
I think ES might be the one to be trading now. It seems to have a lot more energy, you know. NAS is just a shit show. Yeah,
I feel
ES
like
took the
Naz
high.
is about to just wake up and just like rock it. But if ES takes out that high, I'll
ES
close
Friday's
this.
high.
Yes.
Yeah,
If
absolutely.
it takes out, I'll close this. The only thing I'm not sure if I'm trying to battle being right now. I'm like, okay, he's going in my direction. Should I just?
My gut is that we're going to take out the 930 high because that's
Right.
what it does on consolidation days. It takes out both sides of the 9 to 10,
Yep.
930 to 10 range every
notice-
single time.
You guys noticed that
Right, Taylor?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Anytime the range, we already swept the bottom of the range. It would make sense to go take obviously
here
the
we
top
go.
of the range.
Oh,
up
look
to
at
the
this.
930
Oh,
look
high.
at this.
Yep.
All right, there's
That's
312.
visible.
I took another one off there. The rest I'm holding for a 930.
Okay,
Should
this
definitely
wedge
go up
failed
there.
to break even on my trade.
It's the
930
level at
334.
930.
It's 930 high. Eater wants 377. He wants London highs, so we'll try to root it on for there.
18334.
Yep.
If any of you were in and you got in a little later, I'd take your stop to break even.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
I got in like low.
Oh, I know you did, but like some people might have been buying inverses in this.
Yeah, especially because equal lows here. Where's the hourly at?
A good sell is above the 930 high if we ever get up there.
Yeah.
Yes, it's taken high of day, I think, hasn't it?
Yes.
Or the equal highs.
Yep. Alright, 312 is taken. Let's go back to the 1 minute here. A strong push. Can't believe we're just going to leave those three equal lows. Okay. It's fine with me. I'm in a long, but whatever.
This was a really nice trade. Really nice. Really nice. Really
Let's see.
nice. Who's banking
I
though?
get the
Like
busy.
you gotta all be banking,
Do
right?
you think, Mark, we could be coming up just to test this 5 minute too?
Oh,
I guess we just hit it, but
Yo.
Mark is banking right now. Mark usually makes
Yo.
noises whenever he's making money.
no, that was a crazy move. Like it just. Uh,
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Whoa. Jesus.
didn't
That
fill my
was.
stop.
It just moved a little bit too quick right there.
Yeah. Yep.
Just took
Oh my God, that was insane.
That was nuts. Nice push. Nice push.
Gave me a crappy
My
fill on
boy's
this
calling me.
top step X piece of shit.
He's calling me. He's like, he just passed. Y'all wanna hear him?
Oh, he just passed?
You wanna hear him?
Oh.
Nah, I don't know. He's about to call.
Oh.
Celebrate.
Filled me like 5 points below my limit order. Top step X. Options is right.
Yep.
Bills on this thing suck. Look at ES. It's on fire.
Yep. ES is going to yeah, oh, ES took Friday's high. Yeah. Wow.
See what
Alright,
happens
so
as
the
soon as we
SMT's
close
broke
above that.
now.
As
Yeah.
soon as we closed above that 102 candle, dude, we exploded.
Yep.
That was that protected high.
Yep.
And that's what you'll see a lot too.
Alright.
AMD all it was, huh?
Yep. Crazy. I'm glad we caught that. That was like the best move of the day right there.
It was.
Yep.
And then I would watch for reversal above 935.
Yep. What if we get a dealing range now, Mark? 50% down before we go up to 930? Imagine.
We may not get that.
We probably won't, no, but
Another thing to be aware of is if we validate a 1 hour bullish order block, then I wouldn't
I was just
anticipate
looking at
any
that.
kind
I was just gonna mention how we did not form a bullish a bearish OB right here off the 10 o'clock candle. How we just wicked below it. We did not form an OB. It's usually a pretty bullish sign.
What is DTFX? I'm not even sure what that means. Nordic.
Isn't that like some
It's-
prop firm or something?
It's Dave. It's Dave teaches Taylor.
Oh,
Dave teaches.
yeah, I've watched
or-
some of
yeah.
his videos and I kind of incorporate it into like some of the
ICT,
things I'll be
yeah.
watching. So I'll like look at inverses, but with runners, if we start trending, like if you literally go back to Friday, you'll see every time we made a swing low and then closed above the high again, that low was respected every single time. And that's how you can leave runners go.
Mhm.
Let me ask you
Like,
guys.
you can leave runners until you close below a
Lower.
swing low.
Yeah.
That closed above the last high.
All right, we took a
You
930
make-
high.
Yes, we did.
Heck yeah.
Wow.
Wow, it ain't stopping.
Nope.
Mainly the 1 minute, but I also like to only use the 1 minute in the direction that the 15 minute is like. 15 minute is like the structure is bullish, and I really generally only want to take bullish breaks up on the 1 minute. But today was just kind of like one of those days where I wasn't gonna be longing up here, and I was just short biased to like hourly 50% or something down.
Yep.
So that's why I was looking for shorts more or less. Today was kind of like an odd day where you got to kind of be able to know and put some common sense into it. But a lot of times, if you're in line with the 15 minute, it works pretty well.
Hey guys, those who trade top step 52K accounts,
50K?
50K accounts. Like, how the hell
Okay.
do you trade them when they only allow you to use two? Like, you can't trade minis, micros because they only let you use two
Yeah.
lots.
Leopard.
Yo.
Look at these executions, bro. I feel like ICT right now.
We're rejecting hard though.
Look at
Yeah,
these
we are.
executions.
He does.
I feel like ICT.
Short.
Nice. You're short,
Soup
Mark.
this. I soup 930. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 50%'s at 321, Mark. Just a little
Got it.
FYI. Yeah. Mm, Yep. What are you going for, Mark? The equal lows?
If it goes down
Yeah.
first,
We
it's
are
a
gonna.
risky play.
Yeah.
But I know I've seen it do this with 930 so many times that
Mm-hmm.
it might just only time they'll get destroyed though. Like hopefully it won't come back up.
Right.
They didn't soup it right at the top.
Well, this is the
Souped it after the 1 hour order block formed.
this is the retest of the 1 minute. Yeah.
I mean the 1 minute. Sorry.
Yeah. So this is the
It's
1
rejected
minute.
that 1 hour Sibi again,
Mm-hmm.
which I like.
A great trade, the Leopard. I'm out,
All
man.
right.
That
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
beautiful.
Go enjoy your
Great trade.
profits.
Not great trade.
Yep. Yep.
Good luck, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yep.
See you
Yeah.
boys tomorrow.
Yep.
PM session. Take it easy, buddy. PM session is
Yeah.
question. It can go either way, like the AM session.
Yep.
Good PM sessions move a lot more than good AM
Mm-hmm.
sessions.
But yeah.
Topset lets you trade micros, Nikas, but it uses the same numbers for micros as it uses for
Mm-hmm.
minis.
Yep. But
So you get 2 micros and 2 minis on their 50K account,
Yep.
which really sucks.
Yep.
Usually I do 150, so it doesn't matter.
When do we know when
It's all
PM's
free.
gonna be choppy? It's just sometimes
You
if
don't.
you just don't. It's the best way to answer it. You can usually tell if PM's going to be better than AM because AM will suck, but obviously PM happens after AM, so you can't really tell for PM. JBL, yeah, this is how me and Mark usually do run the PM streams. We just talk through every single PD array that is like going on right here, from higher time frame to a lower time frame, just kind of what we're expecting and seeing. Instead of just looking for like inverses, we talk through like regular FEGs, OBs, breakers, all that stuff. So, yep. It's just a little more laid back than the AM. So just yeah, that's a good way to look at it, Shad. Yeah, it's just AM's for inverses and Dodgy's model, and then PM just like the rest of anything ICT kind of related. So it just depends how far you want to like expand your knowledge. How many micros would I trade? I think I usually stuck to 8 to 10. I think on a 50K. It just depends if it's a
5.
on a 50K. Yeah. For Apex, definitely 5. But if I'm trying to pass an eval on a 50K, like probably 1 mini or 10 micros if you want to be able to trim. But we made a woman OB back up here,
Yeah,
Mark.
I'm probably gonna get this trade.
Yeah, yeah, this looks bullish still. We did not leave. Oh, we did leave equal lows right here. 23.25 and
That 1 minute
23.25.
OB, man, like
Yeah,
that's
can't fade it. It's tough. But we did hit 50%. I'd be more bullish if we hit 50% here, but we didn't even tap into a PD array below. Yeah, there's a 5 minute FVG now. We probably come take and hit those equal lows. Would be my guess here. Down here to 23.50. So that makes sense. Just come down, hit this 5 minute, and then hit this 50% at the same time, and then possibly look for like a 1 minute OB up. Um, I usually take the wick dock. It just depends. If the wick's huge, then I'll or if it's a more risky play, I will make the RR the risk reward better, and then go with the body. Because usually we tap the body too, but sometimes we don't, and it's just better to be in, so that way you don't miss. But so right now I'll be watching the body here of this. Let's go to this 2.5. So how we're still respecting the mean threshold of this 1 minute OB. Ah. Well, at least you still want break even dock and you didn't FOMO and just hold. It still shows discipline.
That's looking bullish. I don't know. I don't know if I'd want to be shorting that yet.
Nah. This could become a 1 minute prop block too off of this one if we close above here. If we close above these, it'll be a 1 minute prop block. Oops.
I think we'll trade down to the 5 minute.
The 5 minute makes sense here at least and hit equilibrium.
Question is, are they going to soup it? Or are they going to go in? Like there's a midnight open is above the high.
Right.
So it's a tough read, man.
Yep.
As usual.
Let's see, where's midnight open at? It's at okay.
49.
49.
18 through
Yep.
49.
Yep. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, we did not hit it, did we? It makes sense to go up there and then maybe get a dump off of there. It's now a breaker. Sorry, just seen that. Thanks, Eater.
What's the breaker?
The 12:15 15-minute breaker.
That's a good point.
Yep, and it kind of aligns with the 50% and the 5 minute here, so could be a good spot. Trade any top steps today, Mark?
Yeah, I passed one.
Nice.
And,
Okay.
Now I'm working on the second, which is now a little bit in the hole because
Nice.
of the that little mess up there with the soup.
Yep.
How about you?
Nice, Emilio. Yeah, I haven't touched my top steps today. No.
You're still doing your funded?
What? I was working on my Apex. Yeah, I didn't try. I didn't take a trade like really during the morning stream. So I only took that short prior to the morning stream. Then I didn't take any on stream.
Did you hit your target on your Apex?
I don't really have a target. They're all up like 170 apiece though, so it's.
Oh, nice.
They could use a little more, but I'm not going to push it in with this PA. So we're going to go right back to the highs here.
The fact that it's coming up before it's going down.
Yeah.
Is not good for a bullish.
Mm-mm.
It just soup into the midnight open.
Mm.
Or it may just keep rocking up. Who knows?
Good. Yeah, we should push up here.
Never trust price action above like a big 5 minute FEG like that. Like I feel like it's trying to get you to take these little 1 minutes.
It is.
It'll soup the hell out of you later.
Appreciate that, Bruce. It means a lot. Yep. You got a 50%. This would be 50% here. Just 50%. Maybe we tap this 1 minute OB as well, but Walshy, there was a couple longs. Mark's soup down here. I took the 1 minute OB here as soon as we closed above, but this same long was also this 1 minute inverse right here. So this is exactly what Dodgy teaches here. Dodgy would taken this. This was like a this he would consider this in A plus setup. So SMT off hourly equal lows. Uh, it was also the sweep of the opening range from 9:30 to 2 at 10 o'clock too, and then
We're like basically coming out of the new day opening gap, so it may not go down
yeah.
again.
Alright, we just hit 50% of this leg in this 1 minute FEG, so if we're gonna go up, it's gonna be now probably. If not, we're gonna come off these equal lows. Did you? Okay. Uh, yep, exactly, Eater. Which way is the beach? It's south. It's south today, Steve. I was just there yesterday though. It was nice. So nice out yesterday here. It was like 82 here. Going to the beach in March. It's lovely. All right, hit this 1 minute here. Let's see. 1 minute's not looking good. Yeah,
It's dangerous, man.
this is what Mark was.
Dangerous.
Well, this is what you were just talking about. You don't like to leave a big 5 minute down here. You know, right at 50% of the range. So 1 minute might hold still. We've got 5 seconds. We may not inverse it down.
Take care, Rafi.
We did not
Smart
inverse it.
man.
Yep. We do, Steve. We do. SoCal's nice too.
It is the unicorn on the 5 minute.
It is. It's weird that we've been leaving a bunch equal lows below us. But
We're also bouncing right back into that 1 hour Sibi,
we are. Yep.
which is giving us some resistance,
It's
unfortunately.
true. Yep. Yeah, right here.
And the 4 hour order block.
Why does this look identical to last week? Yeah, we had a 4 hour OB that held us down all week last week, and then you know it was an hourly BPR last week, but it's still right now it's still this hourly FEG.
You know,
But I'd say it's a pretty bullish sign that we ended up not inversing that 1 minute though.
Yeah.
Like you would have fully expected that to be inversed. I feel like.
Orderly closes in 5 minutes, so it'll
Yeah.
be interesting to see if we can get above if we can close above, make an order block.
The hourly? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna make an hourly order block. There's no doubt about that.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sold on that yet.
Yeah, I'm not completely. That's why I kind of said it like because those wicks are
So
still
manipulated.
Yeah.
So manipulated. They can just blast it down so quickly. It's this kind of price action. I would normally be convinced that would form, but not now. They can just shut down so quickly.
Yeah. That's the hourly.
wouldn't say I wouldn't say it's a clean order block on the hourly. Those wicks up there would be rejection blocks.
So what? Let's see. Oh, Mark, we also got those highs that you were talking about this morning. Remember the no wickers?
Yeah, I know, but I
up
mean,
up
like,
there at 52. Well, I mean they're right at midnight open is what I'm getting at.
left so much below now. Like, it's. Don't trust it because I
Yeah.
feel like the second you get long, it's going to go back down to where it should. And you're right, though. The no wickers are like a huge draw.
Yeah.
There's no wickers on the 15-minute too.
Yeah. It's a funny word.
Actually, have an equilibrium right below that in that 5-minute busy.
That's what I'm so yeah.
Pretty bullish.
I've got it drawn. Yeah. Yep.
I'd like to see where we close because if we close outside of that 1 hour Sibi, I'm not going to be as optimistic on the move up.
Mhm.
Like, I'd like to see the 1 hour order block validated. We may not get it. It might go back down to this busy and then just whip up.
Good. Yeah.
If
there's
we
equal
validate
lows
the
there
1 hour
too.
order block, then go down. I think it's interesting.
Yep.
Equal lows. Oh, I see what you're saying. On the 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, there's 1 minute equal lows down there at the beginning of the 5-minute busy. It's the very top of it, or 1 minute equal lows.
I feel like if that busy works, there's not going to be any screwing around. It's just going to bounce very quickly.
So you're calling for some soup, Mark? A little afternoon snack?
Well, I like 5-minute busies with breakers, but at the same time, we have massive SMT on
Yeah.
like all these highs, so
Yeah.
and we don't have like
30-second
it's
inverses on ES. I've never taken a 30-second inverse on ES, but I don't I don't know about that. I guess
yes, it's hard enough to trade the 1 minute.
I guess you could have taken this one. I don't know. I just 30 seconds just too slow for ES, I think. That's why I kind of just watched him on NQ, but see if there was one at the low. So there was one down here on the low. I mean, we closed above right here. But NQ had pretty much the same one, but I mean that'll be a 30-second right there. Yep.
Right now it's just pre 3 o'clock job.
Yep. Let's see what kind of. Oh, we might get a stop run at 3 o'clock down to there. That's true.
That would be perfect.
Yep.
If we validate that 1 hour breaker, I'll be much more confident in that busy.
Yep. Oh yeah.
The 1 hour is going to tell a story here.
Yeah, you're talking the 10 o'clock.
Oh, the 9 o'clock.
Okay. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, yeah.
10 o'clock's
Yep,
inside
yep,
of the 9
yep, yep.
o'clock. 10 o'clock is
Yep.
on the 1 hour, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. Later, Skeeters.
Yep. Still holding this 1 minute FEG.
3 o'clock will punch through that like it doesn't exist.
It'd be very interesting. Yeah.
But what'll be interesting is if we go back outside of the Sibi before this candle closes on the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
I won't know. I don't know if I'd want to long after that.
It's true.
See that?
Yep. Yeah, you want to see a close inside of it, but
You want to see it close above that order block.
yeah.
It's not. Looks like it's not going to do it. But I guess there's order blocks below, but they're not as good because they're inside the big one.
Mm-hmm.
But they can work.
Nudge.
We didn't even get it close inside the Bissy, the Sibi.
Mm-mm. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock time.
And we inversed that 1 minute.
We did finally. Yeah. I'd like to see a push for 50% here. Are these equal lows? Should give us a good indication, I think, for the last hour what happens here. So we got all the equal lows below us. Did you fully get out of your long market at the 930 highs?
Long out of it, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, same. Yep. Remember, we still have the triple equal lows down here as well at 296. So. All right, we did validate a 5-minute OB now with a 5-minute FEG. So we could retrace back up into that before we go lower here. I just messed up. Okay.
5-minute OB like bearish.
Yep.
No, we didn't. We didn't close below it.
The 1458 candle.
Yeah, the
Oh,
1 minute.
yeah. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. Whoops, my bad. 1 minute. Yep. Thanks. Just realized that.
Goodness.
All right, we left 1 minute equal highs up here, so it is okay. Yeah, it's a 1 minute FEG. Sorry, Mark. Sorry, I got Mark all excited there though for a minute.
36.25. Oh, here we go. I'm short again.
You're short in this.
Oh my.
Okay.
Because
Nice.
I'm just looking at them going back into the CB
Yeah.
on 1 hour, and giving it a little bounce down to equilibrium. So this is just a scalp. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna push this one. At least down to that 5-minute FEG.
It makes
Or the
sense.
15-minute you gotta watch too, huh?
Yeah. Oh, we do have a 15, huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. But
Stop at break even. I'm not
Yep.
screwing around with that.
Yep.
I'm gonna fight that.
Smart man. Oh, there's a 15-minute? Yeah, hell no.
It's so hard.
Yeah.
I was literally
This is
trying to trade on the laptop one screen. Trying to watch the stream and trying to look at my own stuff. And
if you go all the
meanwhile,
way
I
to
got flipped from
50%.
trading view to trading
It's-
view.
Do you get stopped out, Mark?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, now.
Okay. Yep.
Still think it's gonna go back down there. I'd say 35.50 is a good level.
Yeah. I'm watching this 5 minutes too. See if we close below it.
You had to do that in ads, didn't you?
Haha. Right off
I
the
think you have
top of the
lots of room
civvy.
in this environment.
Yep.
You got to be really aggressive with your stop.
Where's more?
Starting 35.50, if it doesn't get into that 15-minute, is a good level.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right at
Gets
that
in
1
a
minute.
15-minute, I wouldn't touch shorts.
Here comes the 1 minute equal lows that are right there. All right,
Oh,
swap
we're in the
those.
15-minute, Sibby.
Yep. Yes, we
What do
are.
you see? Sorry.
See if we can still get a delivery to 50% here. We don't have to, but would be ideal. I guess.
No, you could come all the way to 30% of the major
Good.
swing here.
Well, we have more equal lows at the 5
Which
minute
is
civvy too.
308.50.
Yeah.
Wish they didn't nail me on that short.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's smart. Smart though.
You can't play game. Like if
No.
it goes into that 15-minute,
Yeah, it
it'll
could
take
rip
you out
right
like
back.
lightning.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like Lightning McQueen.
Especially when you got like a down candle at the top. It's like
Yeah.
dangerous.
Oof. All right, almost took the equal lows here into the 5 minute. Got pretty much triple equal lows now. Should come back down. Ka-chow. Yeah. Coinbase is
You
having
picked
issues
the
again,
triple
Amy?
equal lows?
Oh, we did not. No.
Yeah, just careful because you got if it,
Mm-hmm.
now if it rejects that 15-minute,
Yeah. I mean, we could
it's
absolutely
not going
bounce
back
there.
down at all.
Yep.
Tough BA boys and
Great
girls.
performance. Okay. Well, I'm glad it let me sell some of my SHIB then today. Okay. That's good, at least.
I think it should come down like massively because usually that's what it does on these range days. But are we in a range day or buy model?
Right, yeah, exactly.
It's the hard part.
This thing can shoot right back with that 15-minute. But thing is,
That's
though,
15-minute. It gave the nice reaction off the 15-minute breaker.
yeah. Oh, that too. Yeah, it sure did, didn't it? Yep.
Do we get into the 5-minute?
We did not. We just missed it. So I thought we might come down a little more, but the 15-minute
You know, we
range
haven't
is
tapped
also a
the
little lower.
1 hour BISI yet either.
Yep.
35.50 was the level I was watching earlier. Would have been nice if it gave it to us before it went into that
Yeah.
BISI.
What do you think of this 1 minute now, Mark? If we inverse this, the
Could be
14.59 one,
interesting. I'm not sure I'm going to take any more trades today.
because we're delivering from the 15 now, but in the 15-minute breaker. But still, I don't. I mean, we're
Uh,
so close with these equal lows in this 5-minute down here. It just, I don't know. There's a 1
And
minute.
deadly SMTs as
Yeah.
well on the top.
Yeah. There's a 1 minute VI down here. We should go tag that. There's the VI.
Oh, what's your 1 minute VI? Oh,
Yeah, the one we just filled. 28. Nothing crazy. All right. Here comes the 5. Here comes the equal lows. Okay, I said that too soon. We left more equal lows. I guess those aren't equal.
I just ripped through them.
Yep, there we go. Good. Good, absolutely. All right, there's the 5-minute. So I'm gonna take this back up because I'm watching the 5-minute range here off these equal lows. We just missed 50%.
You're long? You say take this that you're long?
I'm not in anything, no.
Oh.
I'm saying take as in like sweep it. Sorry. We just hit the 5-minute though. We took the equal lows. 321.25 is 50% here, so would be better if we tagged that, but we don't have to.
Oh, well, you know what? There's indices on all three of the indices too.
Yeah.
Which is it's a confluence for like a move up.
Yeah, it is.
Normally would buy the 5-minute, but I just I don't like that we did not close inside that 1 hour BISI.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, I mean, if we had validated that order block, this would be much easier trading.
Yeah. I wish we would hit 50%,
we rejected
but
it again.
Hey. Watching this 1 minute now, see if we close above it in versus 1 minute, because it would also give us
35.50.
Give us the 1 minute OB.
Right, we're hitting the BISI.
Yep, yes we are. You're talking about the 1 hour right here, so I'm going to draw it out. That's the BISI right here. So there it is again. Let's see if we... Right. There's the 1 minute inverse. Anyone taking that? It's not a bad stop. I mean, we're coming off the 5-minute and the equal lows, but it's a...
I mean, I took it just because you said so, Leopard.
I mean, it's a 2-point stop, so I mean...
Only that, it's coming out of the new day open.
Yeah, that too, yeah. Like, I mean, I don't mind it.
Took a long on the break structure, more or less, but same thing.
You got relative equal highs too above, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I do like all these highs. It's kind of LRLR-y. Let's see, what's the... Okay, up here would be like 6 points. So I'd try to hold for 43 here, or just go to break even at 10 points. I guess this first high would be, yeah. Thing is, though, we could come back down and fill in this 1 minute as well, and we could come down and hit the 1 minute OB, but yeah, London High would be cool, Eater. It would be. I think I can see midnight here too.
5-minute volume balance at 357.
Ooh, okay. You're talking about this guy, way up there.
I've been watching that since this morning.
And 362. FYI.
5-minute?
Yep.
No.
Yes, 362 on the 5-minute.
Oh, I'm looking at the 15-minute. Never mind.
Okay. Yeah.
15 and 5 are the one I
Okay.
pointed. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right.
Okay. So we'll watch that too.
312 is coming up. This 312 going to go to bat for us.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Not a good look. All right, we dug into the break even, Scott. Yeah, I don't blame you if you went to break even there. We did take these highs, but it does make sense. Also, come down and fill this 1 minute VI or this 1 minute FEG. So now you really want to see this 1 minute FEG hold. Yeah, we did just make a 1 hour VI. But
Stupid Sibi is holding us down.
it is.
I think.
It's tough. Whew. What was
12.
that? Oh, look at that. Came down to the 1 minute OB. We hit
Down
the
to
open of
CE
it.
of the new day opening gap, or
Yep.
new week opening gap.
It's a good reaction off that.
Brutal. Come on.
Brutal.
Just brutal. Plus a high at least
Yeah.
on Nas. It's that Sibi.
It's tough.
I think it needs to break it violently. We take this high, stop to break even.
Oh, this last high that
If
we
it's
just put
really
in.
gonna whip
Oh,
up,
it's
it's
1 minute.
not.
It's also 1 minute equal highs up here. So yeah, I like that. I would go break even too as soon as we take the 340 here, 339.75. There are equal highs
Yeah.
here, so
It should
should come
just
back up to
accelerate
those.
if it takes
Yeah.
a high.
Yep.
Like it shouldn't fuck around and come back down.
Mhm.
If it's really planning on going all the way up.
Yep. I agree.
Oh. Making us sweat, huh?
Yeah. Come on, you turd.
It really is a turd today.
It is. All right. There's more equal highs, so not a good sign here.
When it gets up there, it's got to just pop.
All right. There's the first equal highs. Oh, we know that's there. I'm just gonna draw this. This high is 46. Midnight opens
Off at break
49.
even.
Yeah. All right. Nice. All right. Remember we have targets at 50 as well. So these highs right here line up with midnight open. So this would be another nice target if we could get up there. Up there at 351. ES is chugging. Wow. Okay. You got quiet, Mark. You're focusing.
I'm just watching, just trying to do math here.
Yeah.
Managing these consistency targets is such a headache.
Yeah. Oh, you got your apex back in.
Oh, I'm out of apex. I'm
Okay.
doing
Okay.
trying to pass another top step.
Gotcha. Oof.
Oh man.
That's getting nasty right
Oh.
there. Holy cow. Okay. About to break even. Wow. Oh yeah. ES did take that high mark, so that's what just happened there. So it isn't. It is yeah bearish SMT. So we're still gonna push here.
Oh, I know. It's totally a stop
Oh
run.
yeah, yeah, definitely was.
I don't like that ES did take that high though.
Yeah, that's. Oof! Whoa! Holy cow!
Wasn't that a dealing range there though,
Where?
Leopard?
Where?
Like we took that high on that inverse, and then we hit 50% on that first.
Kind of, yeah. I mean, you could consider it because we took
I
a
guess,
low and then we
yeah.
hit 50% here. Yeah, it could be. We left more equal highs up here, but we'll see if they matter. We could dump here, absolutely. Good. The 1 hour Sibby's no joke.
Two-week opening gap is pretty powerful too.
Yeah, yeah.
See which one wins.
Mm-hmm. See, we know we hit that. We know we're delivering from a 515. Left equal highs up here. All right. We basically got triple equal highs here now. Yep. Yeah, we can absolutely dump. You're not wrong, VV. We could hit midnight open and dump. I mean, it's
I think that volume imbalance is on the menu. Plus the wickless
oh, you're talking about yeah up here.
the wickless candle. Watch it.
Yeah, yeah, right here in this VI. So it's a 50-minute VI. Oh, it is a 50-minute VI up there at 357.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right.
And
You're
a 5.
Yep.
Just the question is, how much is it going to dig before it goes?
right. Mm-hmm.
It might just dig like crazy and take it
Good.
out first.
Mm-hmm. 4 a.m. wick, Steve. What's the 4 a.m. wick? Oh, you're talking way up. You're talking London highs. Okay, okay. Steve's swinging for the fences. He's going for all the cookies. Okay.
Oh, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, going for it.
Because when it starts moving, it ain't getting in, so you gotta make
Yeah,
a call now.
yeah, exactly.
That's the way this works,
Yep.
unfortunately, in this kind of market.
Mm-hmm.
Don't come back down there, you idiot.
It's feeling heavy.
It is,
Not
but
delivering.
like, you need to watch the new week opening gap. There's a support, then I'll start getting bearish.
We do have some nice LRLR here to the downside. All right, I'll be right back.
36 is the top of the gap that I'm watching. And we just got to see what goes on with this gap, guys. Oh, it's digging in now.
Oh, there's the LR.
5-minute
LR.
order block.
All right, Randy LR.
Still holding the new week open gap.
Yep.
Which is 36 is the premium part of it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm watching that 29.50 low or whatever the
What do we think
311
about?
candle.
What about what do we think about this 1 minute?
Which 1 minute are you talking about? The potential order block for the bullish bulls or the bears?
No. 1 minute inverse would also be a 1 minute OB.
Oh, the one now. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm looking at my charts now.
No.
Those new week open gaps are very strong support if they can hold.
Yeah.
They don't like when you close above them like that. They shouldn't break easily, especially when you got things above.
Yep.
He gapped up, so it should be a bullish week.
That's nice.
If their stop mark.
For me?
Yep.
Yeah.
These are 15-minute equal highs as well here, and they're 5-minute equal highs.
It's a question of when, not if.
Yeah.
In my mind. Like the question is, are they going to do another nasty stop run, or are they just going to let this thing go?
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of reasons for it to go back up.
Let's see if
we hit equilibrium of that dealing range.
We did.
Bounced nicely.
Mm-hmm.
So the bottom of the FEG would be also a formation of the 1 minute OB. If we get it. But I'd like shorts a lot better if we didn't leave the 15-minute equal highs up there, but oh wow, okay. What did we do? What? Oh, so all we did was leave more equal highs up here. There's the equal highs.
We need some expansion.
Yeah,
soon.
definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, that's why.
Let's watch 336, 18,336.
Yeah.
That's the level that's got to hold.
That's your new log.
Yeah.
Time is it? 3. It's almost 3:30. So maybe 3:30 we start moving too. Other than that, we're just stuck here.
Off in my head. I think we're going up. It's just when.
Yep.
Like, is it going to wait or is it going to go now? Or is it going to just do some stop running first?
Might be a 350 thing too.
Hope not.
Yep. Yeah, ES does have equal lows, but they're what on the 1 minute here? Yeah, five. I guess it does have 5-minute equal lows, but yep. All right, 1 minute equal lows now we left.
It's like lower than the Asian range.
It is.
Brutal.
Yeah. It is. It is.
That's not good.
Nope.
Ooh.
Stop run. Is it going to
Oop.
right down into the order block?
Mm-hmm.
We should hold that 311 candle,
Yeah.
but
Yep.
that's what I'm mainly watching.
Oh yeah. That's a protected high or a protected low.
It's supposed to be a protected low. Yeah.
Should be, yeah, because we took a new high, but
Yeah.
let's see.
It's very heavy.
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm.
We get 3:30 here in a minute, or yeah, about 2 minutes here. Did we leave equal? Okay, no, it just looked like it. So yeah, so far it's just 50% of this, but we'll see.
That's just not looking pretty.
Not at all. Oop. PM's been really good, Noah. Actually, a lot better than AM. A lot more movement. So, yep. Yeah, way better. All right.
You're going down.
Yep, that's fine. Nice. There she goes.
To the bottom of the range.
Yep. Nasty run here, and then 330 is gonna hit. Let's see. That's fine, VV. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you caught it, great. I just would never soar with 15-minute equal highs, but yeah, congrats. I mean, sure. I don't know what your target was. I don't. I mean, I still don't think we're fully bearish here, but we did get a we did just put in a 15-minute OB though, so. But anything possible with this 3 o'clock run. Mark does Huxton. Mark watches that stuff.
What?
The IPDAs, the 20, 40, 60-day ranges.
Long term, yeah. I don't
Yeah.
watch it today.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a vicious stop run, huh?
Yeah. Might have been. Could have been, or this could be. Yeah. I mean, we gotta get over this 1 minute now. Also, I wonder if that just put us in the. So if you go from a 15 minute, so that we just hit 15 minute discount off the 15 minute swing low. So to see how this plays out here, but she does look heavy. But I've seen it look heavy at 352 before too, and then it just pops. So
No, it's dumping.
Yep.
Very, very, very tough BA.
It is, yeah, for sure. Yeah, that
Usually
just
you don't see new day
it's
opening gaps get run and then come right through
mhm.
them like that.
It's
Those things usually, once you close above them, they're incredible
mhm.
support. So like
Yeah,
this is just telling you, this is just so awful.
it is.
Like the manipulation.
Where's them equal lows that we left on? Where's them triple equal lows? So those triple equal lows are sitting down there at 296.
296.
Yeah. So we're still in the okay. Yeah, if we go through this 15 here. 15, there is a lower 5 too. That we'd have to push through. Yeah, those are. Yeah, they're not 5 minute equal lows, but they are triple one to 1 minute.
Look at that.
Yep,
Ouch.
got them.
That's why you got to get in earlier. You're not getting it. It
Mhm.
doesn't give you any other opportunities in this crap.
Yep.
You. As soon as we closed below there, I went short, but
You
got
are?
lucky. Got lucky, yeah. It just looked. I don't know. I felt like we were gonna go up. We should have went up right there, unless we were just
Yeah.
going down.
Let's see. I
We
mean,
broke that when we broke that structure
we left
down.
these 1 minute next.
I
Well,
was
would be the
just
next target at 283.
We're just
Let's see.
below the 9:30 to 10
Let me
o'clock range.
Yep.
Where we just hit right to the tick.
Mhm. see. So the 1 minute equal lows are sitting down here, 283.25 that we left. Let's see. Nice. Nice. Yep, it's just like last week. It fails to deliver up here because there's a 1 hour in the way. So and there's a 4 hour. So beauty. Uh, what was it? 930 highs was it? Yeah. Yeah, we didn't get much displacement over 930, and that was it. Okay. This is where we could get like a 50% retracement back up here. So I'll be watching this. Maybe. Back up to 307 here. Kids in sweatshops. Yep. Yep. Luckily, we never got that 1 minute inverse, and that's what that's what told us not too long. SMT. Okay. Yeah. Past 3 evals. Nice. I'm gonna see what happens right here at 50% of this drop. So. All right, so here comes 50%. All right, there's 50% back up. That's what you would expect with the 1 minute OB off the low there. Mark, what if this was just a huge stop run? Dude, wouldn't that'd be wild.
I'm honestly not giving any more advice because I don't
Yeah.
know what they're doing.
That's tough.
I don't like how this is coming in, closing in gaps. I mean, it could be trading all the way back up to 27 to that
Yep.
FEG on the 5 minute.
Could be.
Take out the high. It hit a volume imbalance, like to the tick almost on the 5 minute.
Did we hit that
and
5 minute?
bounced
Oh,
right
we hit that 5 minute that we were talking about before.
back. Yep.
Wow. Came right back to it. You're right.
But it didn't go back to that little FVG inside, like on the 1 minute, which is
Mhm.
inside of the order block. So
Mm.
I feel like, I don't know, I'm not even going to say because it's not
Yeah.
doing what it normally does. So
Yeah.
I don't want to give wrong advice here because
Yeah, this
is a very manipulated, nasty market.
that was disgusting. Where's the 5 minute here? So 5 minute back up. So we
See
did
that?
leave.
It's going back into the 15 minute. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
If it does an inverse,
It
then I'll be
doesn't.
shocked.
Yep. It's not.
That would be so bullish.
Oh,
Oh my.
We
Goodness.
gotta get a. We might get a 5 minute. We did leave a 5 minute civvy up here at 29. So could absolutely go say hi to that. I agree, Plato. I think could be, but we could have left those equal highs up there for a 350 too. Let's see. 2 minute inverse back up. Where's 50% of this? The only reason I wouldn't like an inverse back up is just because we just hit 50%, but
Oh, shoot.
what?
I think YM took a low.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah,
took
it
a
did.
15
Yeah,
minute
it's a
low.
yep. Anybody taking this 2 minute?
S&T
I mean, there's a 2 minute above here though. It is so we do have like yeah. Well, I guess that's not okay. I'm talking to myself here.
No, YM did take that.
Yeah.
So it's not a good thing.
Yeah. All good. All good, Irby. Oh,
For
let's
the
see here.
Bears. The bullish SMT, but it's not finalized yet.
Yeah. It did leave some nice LR up here too, but we'll see. Stalled out right at 50% here, so. No, I think. Full range seat. And I was just using the 1 minute just because that's just the latest range here. That was really the only reason options. Let's see if we come down to this 1 minute down here. All right. But options, it really doesn't matter because even if you use full range or use the 1 minute, we've hit 50% on either backup. So I guess that's kind of why I'm just.
It's like we are going to inverse the 15 possibly, which is a
Yeah.
good sign.
Yep. It's got to watch the 1 minute BPR now. We do have equal lows still at 283, so worth keeping an eye on. If you're bearish, you want to see this 1 minute BPR just absolutely violated. Anybody still short here? Or short at 50% or anything? Yeah. 2 minute. You want to see this wrecked. Yeah. Last chance is this 1 minute OB. And yeah, looks like a 50% retrace so far. Yep. Phew. Are you short, Mark? Did you short up 50% up there? All right. Here come the equal
Nope, I'm
lows.
nothing.
Okay.
I'm nothing. I don't trust this piece of shit.
I don't blame you.
I honestly don't trust this market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I
This market, they'll wick it
don't
back.
like how it's
Yeah.
moving. Yeah, it could come up just as quickly as it goes
Yep.
down.
Yep. It could.
Like you see that volume imbalance in the 1 minute. If it hits that, it could just bounce like crazy all the way at the
Yep.
bottom.
Could. You're not wrong. Well, where's the lows at? Or 271? Yeah, it's. I am nothing. I like it. All right. So far we respected the bottom of that 1 minute BPR from the lows. So what? An afternoon session just to come up and tag 9:30 and hit the 1 hour FEG again, and then bring it right back down. So depending where we close, might be bearish going into tomorrow down to 50%. Yeah. See how we close though. 350 can send us
We
right back
already
up.
ran the low, right? So there's no
Yeah.
real reason to.
Right.
Oh, Dodgy's banning people now.
Is he? Okay.
So is that with his tall as Tanya, like
Oh, maybe. I don't
grandma,
know.
probably?
Possibly. ES does have some nice LR here on the 5-minute. ES might dump here. Just noticed this. I guess I guess it depends what that person would have said to Tanya. Maybe it was something, you know.
But Tanya like shouldn't be like scouting through like Discords looking for comments on her.
Yeah.
Like, it's like she's asking for trouble. Like she's gotta
Mhm.
like live her life and move
Yeah.
on, you know?
Yeah. But, yeah. Yeah, they were. All right. Well, there's.
I definitely wouldn't be
Let's
dealing with
see.
that
Rip
on
right through
vacation
that.
though. I would put my phone on do not disturb at all.
Yeah, but he's also running a business, so. All right, we swept the
True.
low there. Let's see.
Or is she running his business?
Yeah, I don't know.
I was not expecting. Oh, honestly, I wasn't thinking they were gonna take the low out again.
No, that's wild. That's crazy. But let's see here. Where else can we go? I mean, we're already.
Well, I
I
mean, if they
mean,
did a halfway back on
yeah,
this, they're coming all the way down.
yeah, yeah. 4 hour 50% lies at that 204 level. I mean, it's only 70 points down. I don't.
And I wouldn't. I'm not. I wouldn't touch this. Like, 'cause
No.
there's no certainty of what it wants to do.
Mm-hmm.
It's left a lot of stuff above. Like, this is a
Yeah.
Monday manipulation move.
Oh yeah. Whew. Anybody still short? I'm sure anybody that was short covered at the lows, but.
I wish I went short, but
Yeah.
it was like giving you the signs up in that thing when it was taking forever to move up. Could be going down to 203.75.
Yep. Yep. That's what I think. Yeah,
A
I
lot for
don't
it to come
see.
back to this week.
Yep. Yep. No, that's great. We have
Really
great
come
target.
back up.
We have great upside targets now.
Yeah.
It's fine. He definitely would have, Mo. Absolutely. Uh, uh, let's see. Uh, all right, 350. Plyo says we're going down here to 350.
Where?
Plyo says we're going down. It's a 350 mark. 350
Oh, wow, wow,
algo.
wow, wow. I thought Blau said he was going down to level
Yeah.
350.
No,
Level
no.
4.
I wouldn't say
350.
I would not be thinking about a long here, Mo. I don't think.
232 is like the first target I have.
Is that is that the hourly? Uh,
It's just the swing projection.
oh, well, there's an hourly VI from Friday at 240. 240, 222 is the next hourly down, and then 204 is 50%. So if you went from this swing low, you could go to 224, which lines up with that hourly busies too. So I think we can at least go to 220. Terry, your London target was 237.
Yeah,
What was that? 2.5 standard deviations of London?
it's 2 from London.
2 standard
But
deviations of
I
London?
covered. Yep.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like any of the other indices are going down, so we're back into SMT territory.
That's just
Seen a
another
big-
thing I've been watching was 2 deviations from the London high or the low once we break one side. Just something that I'm just kind of looking at, studying.
Uh, all right.
Did you draw it out, Leopard?
The what?
Or no?
You're talking about
Did you draw it out?
2 standard deviations of London?
Yeah.
I can.
I didn't know if you drew it because I wasn't watching it. No, you don't have to. I just didn't know
Oh,
if you
okay.
did or not.
No, I can. Minus
What are
2,
you
you
guys
said?
drawing out? We hit 2 half standard deviations from London.
Of London?
Oh, sorry, London.
London,
Asia.
it would be at 219. Yeah. Oh shit. Is that right? You're gonna be providing PSN all week or just today? I think just today.
I
Doggo.
have no educational content. I don't
Yeah.
have any social media.
Nope.
I just talk here.
Yeah.
It's not my thing. Unfortunately for you guys, sorry.
Any scalp trades? So yeah, we took some scalp trades long today. We took a 1 minute inverse long, and then well, Mark souped the lows. I took the 1 minute inverse, and some other people got in on the way up from the afternoon move as soon as 1:30 started. When we started down here.
Not much of a 10-2 move here, guys.
No.
It's pretty dead.
Playa lied to us.
No, they might wait for 4 o'clock.
They could wait for 4, but
Yeah, it's like you never know with them. Like once the move is obvious, it's like they're usually not gonna give you much of an entry.
yeah.
There was a nice 5-minute FVG entry above. I will hope you're careful with those shorts, bro.
So where do we be looking here? Yeah, because we could easily we could get some kind of 50% up move, at least up to this 5 minute, but nothing
Yeah,
says
I mean,
that right now.
it could take the 5-minute after 4.
Mm-hmm.
Seen it do that a few times.
Yep.
It was a crazy move down if you guys caught that. Wow.
Yep.
What caused this move downward? SMT with ES and
Yep.
them wanting to bring it down. There's nothing really in the charts that like there was a lot above, but the bias was bearish. And that's all it is.
Hourly Cibi.
Well, the hourly SIBI too, but it's was hard to short up there because there's just so many reasons to go up.
Up, yeah. Oh. I'll show. Any entries to the downside? Oh, I'm sure. There's.
Oh, there's tons.
Oh
There was
yeah.
there was
This
a 1 minute fair value gap right when we broke the low,
Yep.
and then there was a 5 minute fair value gap on the 50%
Yeah.
retracement.
Yep.
Those were both very straightforward.
I mean, if you were like confident we were going down here, you could have shorted this 5-minute OB. But obviously you would have been still, these two would have been valid still. We did have equal lows. But yeah, what Mark just said, this you could have shorted right here. This was textbook 50% right here. Right here. 1 minute.
Oh, but the fair value gap there was
Yeah.
pretty nice. Like we're at the top of your
FEG
range.
at 50% here, so yeah. Oh yeah, there's a 1 minute up here too. So I mean,
There was that 1 minute, and there was a 5 minute at 50%. That was perfect.
what makes this 1 minute nice is this 1 minute break of structure right here. See how this closes below? That shifts your structure to a bear. I completely missed that. This is like a 2022 type short here. You get your market structure shift here on the 1 minute. This candle closes below. You expect the FEG that was formed while going for that low to then hold. So then you would short here, and then you obviously could have held for what at least the equal low is probably down here. So in a hindsight, that short looks great. And the same thing here. I mean, if you're still bearish,
50% one was perfect.
yeah, this one was great too. So
Like that was 50% of the whole range from the top to bottom. Go right to the top level
Oh.
of that range. Lift your fib to the top.
oh, okay,
Higher part.
I see what you mean.
Do it on a fifth there. Look at
Yeah,
that.
well, yeah, if you
And that's right in a 5. That's the one I did.
Both
Yeah,
worked.
that's right
Okay.
in a 5 minute.
Yep. We just left more 1
You
minute.
should always start with a 5 or 15 if you have a gap there,
Mhm.
like that.
It's usually gonna line up with it.
Yeah, like perfectly almost.
Yep. There's 1 minute equal lows down here.
Challenge here is that you have to have a bearish bias to be on board with all this stuff.
Uh-huh.
You're just not bearish yet. You're going against the higher time frame order flow.
Mm-hmm. But it all makes sense with Friday's move, though. I mean, we left a ton of PD arrays left unbalanced here, so.
No idea. What do you mean profile? Like I think that
Oh.
you got to watch 50% of the large swing.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I mean,
Yeah.
you don't know. Like it could go down and rebalance all over the order block. It could.
Mm-hmm.
We don't know what it's going to do yet. Like we got to just like look at the price action and react.
Yeah, I mean, we could come all the way down to this breaker.
Tomorrow morning.
Yep. For sure.
Like by tomorrow morning, you have a much better picture once you've seen the overnight price action and you've seen like, what London's done.
Yep. I mean, possible scenarios are the biggest thing the biggest thing I can see playing out, or like the best case, would be London kind of like London kind of sits here and does this, and what it normally does, it accumulates. Then London comes in, takes 50% here. It would also manipulate Asia lows, and then you get like a New York, kind of like something like that would be like my guess. That would be like my best guess what happens tonight. Something like that. London. I mean, that's just how it's supposed to work out. I mean, Asia accumulates and then London manipulates, and then I mean, it could do that, or London, or we could do the opposite. I mean, Asia could do this, and London could go up here, take all these equal highs, and then we start a big sell model down to here. So I mean, that's like the two big possibilities here. But the way this hourly is rejecting here, and the 4 hour tells me there's more business to the downside. Because look at this, we're gonna close a let's get rid of this massacre. We're gonna close here with a this if we close underneath, we're gonna have a 4 hour prop block going into tonight. So it's not the best sign if you are looking for longs, but a prop block is just an order block formed off of a prior order block. So it'd be coming off this 4 hour. So and then you would just expect like you as soon as this closes, you would expect like expansion to the downside. NFP is Friday, Andrew. Yep.
All right, guys, I've got to run, but
Oh yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Jeez, I didn't realize
it's
it
been the
closed.
greatest session, but it's been
Yeah.
interesting, and
Yeah.
we'll see you
Cool.
tomorrow.
Yep. All right. Later, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll double check that, Andrew. I'll look at it and I'll show you. Kips, you're talking about this 4 hour. We could I mean absolutely we could come all the way down here to rebalance this whole thing, but yep. No, you weren't plow. Bye.